Welcome back or welcome to Hello Hi for another quick and easy cannabis recipe. Now today we're making chocolate covered peanut butter marshmallow cookies, and this is also a recipe that you can do with your kids if you have kids at home. Is just make sure you don't do it infused, but I'm gonna keep this video under 10 minutes as usual, so let's get started. For this recipe you'll need Ritz crackers, marshmallow fluff, peanut butter, chocolate wafers, and Canna coconut oil. Start by lining a cookie sheet with parchment paper and cut the edges so they're not hanging over the side and you have a perfect fit in the cookie sheet. If you don't have a cookie sheet or parchment paper, you can use a silicone mat. And the only reason I'm using parchment paper is so the chocolate doesn't stick when it dries. Place 20 crackers with the bottom side facing up on the cookie sheet. 10 crackers will be used for peanut butter and the other 10 crackers for the marshmallow fluff. Now I've seen this recipe made with a pretzel in the middle, but today I'm only using marshmallows and peanut